welcome back to my channel. Today I have got an unboxing for you. Today I'm trying out the Birchbox K-Beauty kit, which I thought was a little bit interesting. They sent me an email because I had an offer on it because I'm a member, so I thought it would be interesting to try something new from them. So I have got this beauty kit and I think it looks absolutely fab, so I'm going to show you what's inside the kit today. So don't forget, if you enjoy this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the little bell button to keep notified when I post a new video. Also, give me a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on my videos and any suggestions of things you'd like to see from me. So let's jump on straight into the video. Okay, so first up we have the bag. I think it needs its own little shout out because I actually think it's really cute. If you see close up here, it's also kind of like a pattern on there. It's almost like it's got string or something, and then it's like stuck into the plastic, which is cool. So it gives it a really nice sort of soft but textured feel, and it's got Birchbox written on the little zipper pulley thing here. This is, I think it's waterproof by the material it's made from, so this would be really good as a makeup travel bag, and it's actually quite big, so I think you can get plenty of stuff in there, which is really good, so I'm really happy to get that. It's going to be great for travelling. And I've got my book that comes with all my little Birch boxes, and it came with this one as well, so this is going to tell me everything that's inside. So first off we have the Benton Fermentation Eye Cream. Now that sounds something really gross because it says fermentation, and that threw me off a little bit, but it looks like this. It's a little black thing, and this is something you put underneath your eyes. So I'll read you what it says about each of the things as I go through. So it says, need to address dark circles, puffiness and fine lines. This eye cream ticks all of the boxes. Brimming with fermented ingredients beloved in Korean skincare, this hydrating lotion keeps the skin around the peepers hydrated and soft while fighting those first signs of aging. Smoothing ceramides, I think it's ceramides, plumping and hyaluronic acid and moisturizing aloe penetrate deeply for instant bright eyes. Just pat a small amount around your eye area after cleansing. So this is the K-Beauty kit, so all of these items are from Korea, so I thought it'd be something very interesting to give a go here. And this one is something you just pat it on underneath your eyes, so hopefully that will help to get rid of dark circles and stuff like that, so I'm very excited to give that one a go. Sounds great. Next up we have got the Doft & Doft hand cream, and this is a really cute little packet here. I think this one looks adorable. So it's called Doft & Doft Nourishing Hand Cream Stockholm Rose. So the packaging I think is really cute, and it's a really nice sort of travel size that'll fit perfectly into a handbag and stuff. So this says, along with the usual suspects found in your handbag, lip gloss, keys, phone, reserve a spot for this must-have hand cream. A Korean bestseller, it leaves your skin feeling silky smooth and beautifully scented. The secret, an intensively hydrating blend of shea butter, vitamin E and collagen to infuse dry hands with moisture. Apply it whenever your hands are in need of a moisture boost. P.S. It's perfect size for pampering on the go. I completely agree. It is the perfect size for pampering on the go. It fits in your pocket, in your bag, wherever. And I think it's just a really cute size. And I've had a little whiff. It does smell really good. It's kind of almost like rosy scented, like it says on the packaging, but almost kind of like perfumey. So I would say if you're not a fan of strong scents, this might not be the one for you. But if you do like a little bit of a scent in your hand cream, then you are going to love this. Next up we've got the Etang Cook Pack, which sounds something really odd, and to be honest, when I saw Cook Pack I thought it was food, and I thought that's really weird to have in a beauty box, but it's actually the Fresh Black Rubber Mask, moisturising and calming, and this looks really interesting and a bit weird compared to the normal kind of face masks. It says here, the Cool Pack, the Fresh Black Rubber Mask. Korea introduced us to sheet masks, but now it's time to get hooked on rubber masks. To add even more fun to proceedings, you actually mix this formula yourself. That intrigues me. Unfold the bottom of the pouch to make a cup, then pour both sachets in and stir. Use the spatula to spread the mask onto your face, leave for 20 minutes, then peel away. You'll immediately notice how much healthier and more moisturised your complexion looks. Now, the fact that I get to make it myself makes me extremely intrigued as to how this is going to work, but I'm definitely keen to give it a try. If you'd like me to do a video on giving this one a go, including trying to make the mask as well from the instructions on the back, considering a lot of it is in Korean, but I think it's got a bit of English on there as well, then let me know down in the comments and I will certainly do that for you. The next item that I have is the Beresom Lip Tint Tattoo Pack in Lovely Peach, and that is this one here. I must say the packaging on all of these items is really cool. I actually really like the look of this one. It's kind of funky and it's got some really interesting techniques for this. So we can't decide what's more fun, the pretty tint of this lip tattoo or the unique way that you apply it. On second thoughts, maybe it's the fruity scent that wins out. Apply a neat layer over your lips, then leave for a few minutes until it's completely dry. Peel off your lips to reveal a subtle stain that will last for up to 12 hours without smudging, transferring, or needing to be reapplied. A new and fuss-free way to wear colour. This intrigues me greatly, so I gave this one a little bit of a go. So it's got a really cool tube in there, and just like a normal sort of tubey lip gloss, it's got sort of a pointed end, and you can see, I don't know if you can see there, it's a bit yellowy, a bit like turmeric sort of colour, and I gave that a little bit of a go, a really thin layer. I put it on my hand just here, you probably can't see it, but it gave it sort of, the colour of turmeric was kind of the colour that it stained my hand, so I'm interested to try that one out and see how that colour will actually look on wearing it on your lips, because it's a bit of a yellow colour, so I'm not sure about it, but I'm definitely going to give it a go because I'm so intrigued. Now I've got another face mask, but this one is completely different to the one that we had at the beginning. This one is the G9 Skin Milk Bomb Sheet Mask in Banana, and to be honest, I think this one wins out for the packaging. It looks like a milk carton. That is just incredible, and I think it's really cool. I love a good inventive packaging. I think that makes it really. Tear open the playful packaging of this mask to find a soft microfiber sheet soaked in nourishing serum and moisturising milk extract to deeply hydrate. Great for days when your skin feels dehydrated. No matter how much moisturiser you slather on, it will leave your complexion softer, brighter and healthier. Apply to clear skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then peel off and massage the remaining serum into it until it's completely absorbed. Sounds wonderful, but also slimy, but I'm definitely excited to give this one a go. I love banana scented things, so if it smells of bananas, I will be really excited. But yeah, definitely winning on the packaging for this one. Now I've got something a little bit different, and this is the, I'm going to guess it says Nissel Intensive Barrier Activating Cream. So that's N-I-S-L, Nissel. I'm going with Nissel, that sounds good enough for me. Brightening, smoothing and intensively hydrating. This is the thirst quench you need to reach for when your skin is truly parched. Ingredients like water sourced in the North Pole, hyaluronic acid and olive oil to help plump the moisture that skin looks so healthier and feels refreshed. Your skin will protect against moisture loss while fine lines and wrinkles will be diminished. Apply morning and night for a happy complexion. Water sourced from the North Pole. I mean, how could you tell it's from the North Pole? I have no idea, and it just seems weird that the water in the North Pole is different to any other water, but you know, if it works, it works. But I must say, this is I think the poshest looking face cream that I've ever had. It looks like something you would get from a department store, and that really excites me. I like posh looking things that I can use for my complexion. But yeah, really excited to give this one a go, and it even comes with a weird sort of little mini spatula-y thing. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try and use that just to see how effective it actually is. It's probably not going to be, but I'm just intrigued because they put it in there. I'm going to have to try it. But yeah, really excited to give this one a go. I needed a new moisturiser, so that saved me a bunch as well. And last up, I have got a makeup item, and it is the Moart. I'm guessing with all of these names because I've never heard of them before, any of them, so I'm hoping I'm pronouncing them right, but who knows with these. So this one is the Moart Velvet Lipstick in Cotton Rose. So it's got really nice packaging on this, and when I opened it up I was even more shocked about what I found. It just looks so strange. It looks like a rubber, like an old school rubber. If this was blue or white, this would look like a rubber that I used in school. It's just really weird, and it's got really soft sort of matte packaging on it, a bit like I think it's like a L'Oreal one, I think, that I got from Boots a while ago. It had this kind of packaging, but it feels really nice and really soft, and almost like it should be squishy, but it's not, because it's just a weird sort of smooth kind of packaging, but it's really cool. Create a lip look that's all your own with this hydrating, satin soft cream lipstick. The silky formula has just the right amount of sheen for healthy looking lips without compromising on staying power. Plus it won't dry out your lips, so you can just enjoy, and a beautiful coloured pout that also feels comfortable and soft. Just swipe onto your lips straight from the bullet and build up a deeper colour. Press in with your fingertips for a more stain effect. So this is really exciting because I love new makeup, so I'm very happy with this. And this is a really nice colour actually. I think this one is going to be really nice for this time of year. It's a bit more browny, so I think this one's going to look really good with some of my normal day-to-day looks that will be coming up soon. So that's everything that came in my K-Beauty kit, so I'm really excited to give a try some new brands that I've never heard of before. I'm definitely intrigued by the Korean beauty stuff, so I'm excited to see what it can bring, whether it's worth trying some more. So if you enjoyed this video as much as I have revealing and trying these out, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a comment down below if there's any other videos you'd like to see from me, and I will see you very soon. Bye!